Hi guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY. Today we are going over a Dollar Tree DIY featuring Halloween decor. I know, it's so crazy. It's already that time of the year and we're already getting ready for Halloween. It's amazing. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can have this cute little Halloween decor to put basically anywhere in your house for the Halloween season. And don't worry, I have all the materials listed down below if you miss any of them in the next clip. So let's not waste any time, guys. Let's DIY. And as you see, I did not put a picture of the burlap that I'm using in a video in this clip. However, here's the burlap, and the burlap is from burlapfabric.com. They have an amazing assortment of burlap, and I'll list their website down below. Alright, to start the project, I decided to get the measurements for the burlap first before I decided to paint the wooden house, because I didn't want to risk getting any paint on the burlap itself. So I kind of just measured up the measurements, and any excess burlap I just cut it off with the scissors, and I continued to go around the house and measure it that way. You can use a ruler or you can eye measure it. It just depends on what you're comfortable with doing. So you want to get all of the measurements, and you want to just put the burlap to the side for one of the later steps, which you'll see in a few minutes. So I always place things on before I actually glue them down, so that's what I did here. I wanted to give it a kind of like Halloween-y look, so I didn't place it exactly aligned. Okay, I started painting this in a big no. So I went and grabbed a piece of paper and I just drew the outline of the house, so that way I can cut out the outline and put it inside the house on top of where I painted, so that you would it would be like an extra layer on top of the print on the back of the house. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna move on to the next part. So here I have the stenciled wooden pieces. They're actually wooden ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint that, and then I'm also going to paint the words in white so that it will kind of stand out against the orange that the house is going to actually be. So after letting that dry, I'm going to start putting the paint on the inside of the house, and I want to make sure that you don't see the underneath paper, so I'm going to put a few coats. I think I put like 3 coats of paint on the inside of this. So once it dried, I would put another coat on, and then once it dried again, I would put another coat on. Once the house is dry on the inside, I went and started to put the burlap on. It doesn't matter where you start really, but I wanted to start at the bottom and work my way around to the top and the other side, because I wanted to be able to put the next piece of burlap under the piece that went before it, if that makes sense. So in a few seconds you'll see me put the burlap underneath the previous piece of burlap to kind of make it look more together. So I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what your favorite part of the holiday season is. Thanks for watching. See you next week.